children, I Rehana Kasli, representing Bright Star International School Billimora, would like to explain you the topic building with bricks of maths subject. Workbook page number 5, chapter 1, building with bricks. Now today we have to see exercise 3. Exercise 3. Answer the following question based on the figure of a brick given below. Okay, here is given figure of a brick, and that we can see and write that answer. Below that is given question that we have to write answer. Okay, question number 1 is, how does the shape look from side A? How does the shape look from side A? Okay, we can see this side A. What is the shape of the side A? It is a rectangle, no? Okay, so we have to write here also close and here one also close. So the shape of rectangle. So we have to write in here rectangle. Now our question 2. How does the shape look from side B? Okay, now we can see here too, this side of B that also that have rectangle. So we have to write in here rectangle. Now third question, how does the shape look from side C? If we have to see this side of this and this one has close. So what is the shape? That also rectangle. See this one side only. This is the rectangle. Okay. So now we have to write in here rectangle. How many sides are there? Okay. This is the brick. That we have to say how many sides. Here we can see only 1, 2 and 3 sides. Okay. Okay. This look at this compass box. This compass box also that is the brick type. Okay, so we can count this side 1, okay, this side of 2, this 3, this side 4, 5 and 6. Okay, what say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and back side is the 6. Same this type 1, last that back side, one side, that down this, bottom side is 2, this 3, that back side 4, this 5, this side of 6. Okay, understood everybody? So how many sides are there? That is the 6 side. How many edges are there? Okay, what side is edge is side of this line we have to draw. This is the edge, means that is the corner, this line, this corner line, this 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this side is 12. So we have to write in here TWELVE 12. Now how many corners are there? How many corners of the 1, 2, this 3, 4, 5, this corner 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners are there? Brick also 8 corner. Again we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write in here 8. Now next, what is the name of whole shape? This shape. What is the name of this type of shape? Cuboid. What is the name of the brick type, brick shape? Let's say cuboid. Okay. Now our next exercise 4. How many sides are seen in the figure given below? Write the blanks. Okay, question number 1. How many sides we can see? 1, 2 and 3 sides. So write in here 3. Now how many sides is here? 1 and 2. So write in here 2. How many side we can see here? Question number 3, only one side. So write here 1. And question number 4, how many side we can see here? 1 and 2. So write in here 2. Okay. Now exercise 5. Which is the following shape are the face in a brick? Tick on them. Which of the following shape are the face of a brick? Tick on them. Okay, this shape of a brick? No. This shape have? Yeah, so we have to take rectangle type of shape, no brick. This is the sketch shape of the brick? No. This type of shape? No. This triangle type? No. This type? No. This is a rectangle. This type of shape have a big brick? Yes, so tick mark. And this type shape have brick? No. Okay, so only these 2 and 8 number. This is the rectangle type of face of a brick. Shape or face of a brick. Now question number 6. Which of the following bricks in the longest? Put circle around it order given below. Okay, now this bricks, what is the say? This brick is the 3 centimeter. This is longest. This brick A. This B brick is the 8 centimeter. C brick is the 2 centimeter. And D brick is the 4 centimeter. So A, B, C, D, which bricks is the longest? B brick is the longest because that is the 8 centimeter. So put circle on the B figure. Okay. Now say one exercise. Which wall will be stronger? Tick below it. Okay, here we can see A and B. Different type of wall is given. Here 2 block in between 1 block. Here 2 block in between 1 block. Down also 2 block in between 1. 2 block in between 1. Here 1 by 1 brick is arranged. Here 2 bricks in between 1 brick arranged. 2 brick in between 1 brick arranged. 2 brick in between 1 brick arranged. Here all brick are 1 by 1 arranged. So what happened? This, if this wall not this wall is not a stronger, this wall is the stronger. This wall very easily fell down. Okay, this is the stronger. So this is the A wall, we have to tick mark. Okay, this answer the following question based on the picture given below. This is we have to already completed in a textbooks. So you have to know which pattern is made in a circle. So you already has know that E and J, that already I have to completed in textbook. So I am writing here in E and J is the circle type, so that is writing here. In which pattern mirror how can be seen? So H pattern is how can be seen. So in writing here H. Okay. Which brick made of put circle around them? So if we made brick, so what we have to want? Wood, clay, glass, stone, या iron. So bricks made that time, what we want? We need clay. So put circle on a clay. Now which of the following material are not used to make a wall? Which material are not use of wall? Wood. Wood is use of wall. Iron is use of wall. Stone is use of wall. Plastic is use of wall, or brick is use of wall. Which material are not used? So plastic is not use of wall. If wall are made that time, plastic is not used. Okay, so children, this activity that you have to write in a workbook